there are so many more options in member management. For example, you can do member campaigns. So you can select into the member campaign groups of members fulfilling some filters as you like. So you can find everybody that lives in London. You could find everybody that has a birthday next month. Or you could find everybody that lives in London and has a birthday next month. And based on that, you create a member campaign. And that member campaign, then you can link with offers because you create a member attribute of the campaign and you can have it valid for offers. That way, you can create offers and get the history. So people come and they shop in your stores. And if they get discounts depending on the offer that is linked to the member campaign, then in the end, the member campaign will have all information about all entries that were done by it. So then you know how much a member campaign did deliver for you. But there are more options. There is also a possibility in the member management that's called discount tracking. And discount tracking is something where you can have a limit for discounts that members can get. This was originally created with sport clubs in mind. So sport clubs maybe had some people with a deal with them. So sports club maybe had a group of people and they made deals with retailers, maybe with those selling sports goods, clothes and shoes and things like that. So they said, our people, our group, we will provide cards for. They may be able individually to shop for something until the discount will reach a certain amount. Or the whole group until the discount will reach a certain amount for a given period. That's one way of using discount tracking. Some years ago, when I was showing the solution for this sushi place, they had the requirement that they wanted to provide their staff one free meal a day. But they wanted to make sure that their staff would not get 10 free meals a day. So then we set up discount tracking and I showed them how it worked. So with discount tracking, we made sure that each and every staff could only have one free meal a day. How did they do it? Through the member club with the staff club. And then I used discount tracking with that setup. And that they found was very interesting and very easy to use and solved what they wanted to do. So member management is obviously something you would like to show to prospects, you would like to demo. And later in the course, we will see a kind of a loyalty app that's called ScanPay Go. And in ScanPay Go uses our members in LS Central. And as well, e-commerce. E-commerce users as well members in LS Central. So member management is a very good base, a very nice functionality in LS Central that we connect with so many different things.